Hello and welcome to this video. In this guide, we'll show you how to install a battery watering kit for golf cart batteries, step by step. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at what's included in the kit. You'll find the filling plugs, the floats, the tubing, and the coupler needed to connect the system. For the installation, you don't need much. A simple cutter is enough to trim the hoses to the correct length. Now let's get started with the installation. Start by carefully removing the safety caps from the battery. Make sure to do this slowly and avoid spilling any electrolyte, as it can be harmful. In the next step, measure the correct float length using the included measuring tool. Carefully insert the tool into the battery cell until it reaches the bottom without applying force. At the top edge, you'll see a color indication that represents the correct float length. In this example, the result is yellow. Once you've identified the correct float, attach it to the filling plug using the clip system. Make sure it is securely in place. Then insert the assembled filling plug into the battery opening and ensure it is properly seated. Now adjust the position of the filling plugs and begin with the tubing. We provide enough tubing in the kit, so don't worry if you cut slightly more than needed. Take your time when measuring and cutting the hoses to ensure a clean and proper fit. Then push the tubing firmly onto each filling plug until it is fully secured. Continue this process step by step, connecting each plug to form a complete system. After connecting all filling plugs, you will have two open ends in the system. Leave around 30 centimeters, or about 1 foot, of extra hose on each side. This allows you to easily connect the dual coupler. Once the coupler is installed, place the end caps on the remaining open filling plugs at the end of the system. After completing these steps, your golf cart battery watering system is ready to use. If you have any questions or run into any difficulties during the installation, feel free to contact us. Our support team is always available to assist you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.